Hello everyone! In today's video, we will walk you through the steps on how to delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on the icon to open it. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once the profile page is open, look for 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on that to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Once the Settings menu opens, choose the first option, which is Account Center. In the Account Settings, open Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation and Deletion. Here, you'll find the Instagram account that you want to delete. When you tap on it, a new page will open, providing 2 options. You can either deactivate the account temporarily or delete it permanently. Select the second option and tap on Continue. Choose a reason for deleting your Instagram account according to your issue, and then tap on Continue. You can read these articles that can help you to solve the issue that maybe you are facing, or tap Continue. In the final step, enter your account password for confirmation. If you tap on Continue, your account will be deleted permanently. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.